Imagine a place where the city meets the sea, where modern architecture meets traditional charm, where the sun shines over gleaming skyscrapers and luxury yachts line the marina. This is the breathtaking panorama of Dubai Marina, a city within a city, embodying Dubai's ambitious spirit and architectural prowess. Hi, welcome to the captivating world of Aubrey and Avery. Join us on our journey as two sisters, passionate about travel, culture, and inspiration, explore the world. We'd like to extend a warm invitation to join us on our thrilling expeditions through this amazing planet. We would love for you to like and subscribe to join our community. Please leave a comment and tell us where you are from and what city you'd like to see us feature in our next video. Born from Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum's vision, the marina is a testament to Dubai's global appeal and its rapid rise to prominence. It represents the leader's daring response to worldwide interest, transforming the picturesque Persian Gulf coastline into a marvel of modern construction. This feat wasn't just a whim. It required years of meticulous planning and cutting-edge engineering. A band of architects, engineers, planners, and workers came together, their joint vision turning the aspiration into reality. Their relentless efforts and ingenuity resulted in the Dubai Marina, the world's largest man-made marina. A project of such magnitude wasn't just an overnight affair. It took years of meticulous planning, innovative engineering, and sheer determination to transform a stretch of Persian Gulf shoreline into the world's largest man-made marina. The marina skyline is a testament to human achievement, epitomizing human creativity and architectural innovation in modern times. Its structures reflect our ingenuity, blending technology and aesthetics. Among them stands the twisting Cayenne Tower, an architectural phenomenon. Its helical design spirals upwards, giving an illusion of infinity. Next to it, the super-tall Princess Tower reaches skyward, a marvel of precision and beauty. The skyline is adorned with high-rise apartments and luxury hotels. Each building, unique in design, contributes to the stunning panorama. They all exhibit a distinct character, enhancing the skyline's charm. These architectural marvels are symbols of ambition and progress. The Dubai Marina isn't just about the buildings, it's about the lifestyle. This trendy hub embodies Dubai's luxurious spirit. Every corner oozes opulence, from the impressive waterfront hotels to the shimmering waters that mirror their splendor. These hotels exemplify Dubai's extravagant ethos. Walking along the marina, you'll find an extraordinary gastronomic adventure. The eateries offer not just scrumptious food, but a complete dining experience with each meal artfully presented. Cafes provide a serene getaway amidst the urban buzz with the scent of fresh coffee inviting passers-by to pause and relish a well-crafted cup. Shopping lovers would find the Dubai Marina Mall irresistible, a vast retail oasis housing numerous brands. It's more than just a shopping center. It's a place to enjoy the therapeutic effect of shopping. The yacht cruises offer a unique perspective of the city's grandeur, presenting the architectural wonders in a new light. The Dubai Marina Mall, a paradise for shoppers, and the yacht cruises offering stunning views of the marina, add to the allure. Beyond the glitz and glamour lies a vibrant, multicultural community that calls the marina home. This bustling hub is a blend of traditions, languages, and cuisines from around the globe. It's a place that echoes with stories of cultural heritage and unity. Each year, the marina magnetizes millions of visitors, becoming a thriving center for commerce and art. Its streets house galleries, theaters, and cultural events that bind locals and tourists, fostering a sense of community. This fusion of cultures makes the marina a truly cosmopolitan locale. The marina is a hub for cultural events and exhibitions, adding to its diverse experiences. Whether you're a local or a traveler, the marina invites you to explore its myriad offerings, promising an enriching experience unlike any other. In just 5 minutes, we've journeyed through the architectural wonders, the vibrant lifestyle, and the multicultural community that make up the Dubai Marina. This brief exploration only offers a glimpse of the marvels that await visitors. The marina features spectacular skyscrapers embodying human ingenuity, while also serving as a modern testament to the coexistence of tradition and progress. This vibrant hub hosts stylish cafes, top-tier restaurants, and luxury boutiques, creating an atmosphere filled with relaxation and fun. The daily life here resonates like a festival, and the night is brightened by the city lights reflected in the tranquil marina waters. The air is rich with the aroma of international cuisines, adding to the exciting atmosphere. Dubai Marina is the heart of the city's multicultural community, with people from all over the globe bringing their unique cultures to this melting pot. The lively conversations here are a harmonious blend of varied accents and languages, symbolizing the city's welcoming nature. The marina is more than its stunning views, gastronomic wonders, or cultural diversity. It's about the emotions it stirs, the memories it forges, and the stories it narrates. The true magic of the marina can only be experienced firsthand. So why not make the Dubai Marina your next travel destination? And while you're at it, why delve deeper into what makes this city so vibrant and exciting by subscribing to our channel for more travel content? Until then, it's goodbye from the stunning Dubai Marina.